Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing very well. So today's worksheet will be the last one, which is 6.3, the last unit, the last section of the book. Let's check your understanding for this one. I hope you knew everything until now and you know this too. So let's start. Bismillah. What does waxing mean? Okay, you have 10 seconds. What does waxing mean? Bravo! It means when the moon appear to get bigger. You know that in 15 days the moon is gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger. The next 15 days of the month is gonna get smaller and smaller and smaller. So the process of getting bigger, it means from the first day of the month to the 15th day, which is going to get bigger. This is all we call this waxing because the moon is gonna get bigger. Number two, what does waning mean? So you have 10 seconds. Bravo! It's opposite of waxing. It's when the moon appears to get smaller. We said that. We have a month, which is like 30 days. The first 15 days, the moon is gonna get bigger. Appear, look bigger, bigger, bigger. And the second 15 days, it's gonna get smaller and smaller and smaller. So during getting bigger, we call this waxing. During getting smaller, we call this waning. So let's go for the next one. Which planet has the shortest year? You have 5 seconds. Well done. It's gonna be Mercury. It has shortest orbit and it has shortest year too. And which planet is the biggest planet in the solar system? You have 5 seconds. Well done. The biggest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. And number 5, what are the two movements that all the planets make? All the planets are going to do two things, two kind of movement. What are they? 10 seconds. Bravo. Moving around their axis, rotation, and orbiting the sun, revolution. So it means moving around the axis, orbiting the sun. All the planets are moving around their axis, moving around themselves, spinning. And all the planets are moving around the sun too. These two movements, one moving around the axis, number two moving around the sun, all the planets are doing. So let's go for the next one. Label the hidden faces of the moon. We have 8 faces of moon, right? Of the moon. So I just hide 3 of them, so you have to label them. So you have 15 seconds for doing all of them. Bravo! These are the names: waxing crescent, and that one full moon, that one is waning gibbous. So if you remember when we studied, we said crescent means when the moon is less than half, gibbous means when the moon is more than half. And the first 15 days, when the moon gets bigger, you see gets bigger, 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 and the moon starts to get smaller, smaller, smaller. When it's gonna get bigger, it's waxing, and it's less than half, it means waxing crescent. That one, the moon is gonna get smaller, we call this waning. And because it's more than half, we call this gibbous, waning gibbous. And that one is full moon, you can see all of them. And the other names are here too, you can see. So I just test you by 3 of them. Let's go for the next part. What is an Earth year? The time, what's the Earth year? 5 seconds. Well done. An Earth year is 365 days and 6 hours, or you can say 1 year. So the next one, what's an Earth day? 5 seconds. Bravo! One Earth day is 24 hours. Easily, this is scientifically, you have to say what's one Earth day. Otherwise, you can say how many hours, how long does it one day? 24 hours. 1 year, 365 days. So Number 9, what is an Earth hour? It means the length of an hour, the duration of an hour. How many? Well done. 60 minutes. So easy. An hour is 60 minutes. And a day is 24 hours. A year is 365 days and 6 hours. So, number 8. Which planet is the smallest planet? 5 seconds. What is the smallest planet? Well done, it's Mercury. The number 1, the smallest orbit and also smallest planet, the shortest year, all are Mercury. The next one, how long does the moon take to complete its orbit around the Earth? 5 seconds. How long does it take? The time? Well done, 29.5 days. For each, it means 1 month is equal to 29.5 days. And what does gibbous mean? 5 seconds. Bravo, it means when the moon is more than half of the moon lit up. When more than half of the moon lit up, we call this gibbous. And the last one, what does crescent mean? 5 seconds. Bravo, it means when less than half of the moon light up. So, guys, if you know this one in the gibbous and crescent, if you know them, and also you know waxing and waning, you can just label all the phases easily. Whatever is getting bigger is waxing, whatever is getting smaller part is waning, and which moon is more than half is gibbous, less than half is crescent. So it can be waxing gibbous, waxing crescent, or waning gibbous, waning crescent. So that was so easy, and that was the last one. I hope you knew everything, and best wishes.